And being a proactive partners and in line with SMOU's 65th anniversary, SMOU will continue to uphold our mission to champion seafarers' interests and to add value to the maritime community and beyond. We will continue to care and to be fair and to share with our members, to grow together with them. And ladies and gentlemen, the 65th anniversary theme for this year is about continue growing together with you.
That when we have succeeded, we remember our pioneer generations. We remember those who are less fortunate amongst us. That when we succeed, we don't claim our success just for ourselves. We share our success with each and every member of our society. We leave no one behind. This is what I am very proud of SMOU, because SMOU, through its simple action, has led the way on how we can master our resources, be good stewards, to give back to society and prepare the ground for the next generation.
Together, and we are partners, and it is tough times for the shipping industry, and I think it's a strong signal that SMOU understands that it's tough times and is ready to play a part in this.
Actually sends a very good signal to the maritime community that together we work together and reinforce the tripartite relations that we have in Singapore.
I hope SMOU will continue to progress.
Continued success, continued good management of its resources in order that it can continue to be viable, serve its members so well as it has been.
A very happy 65th birthday. They have come a long way, and I wish them many more good years to come.
When we have good times, we all enjoy together, whether it's government, employer or union. And when it's bad time, we also eat together. So So I appreciate what the union is trying to do. We wish you all the best for another 65 years.
Within Maersk, the Maersk Group, we have had many years of good cooperation with SMOU, and we look forward to work together with SMOU for the next 65 years.